Hello everyone. Take a rope and then wrap it around any sort of cylindrical object. We have taken a pipe. Make this little knot out of it as such. Afterwards, strengthen it. Take a wire or a rope and then wrap it around this wooden plank. This should be even measurements as such. Bring the front portion of it around the others and then you should make this knot out of it. Afterwards, make a circle out of the other side of it and once again tie a knot to it in order to make it stay put. This is what it should look like. Take a rope and then make a circle out of it. Make another circle out of the other end as well. Join the two together and then wrap it around any sort of pipe and then pull them all together as such. This is a different kind of knot. Once again, take a wire, wrap it around, make this U shape out of it, push one section into the other, and this is a different kind of knot that you can make. Next, take a wire, make a circular shape out of it, then wrap one end, push it through it as such. Wrap it around the rest of the rope and then bring it out through the other side. Make the circular structure out of the wire, make 2 layers out of it, and then bend the other side of it and push it through the 2 layers as such. Now push the other side, rather pull it, and then tighten it as such. If you pull it through, it'll come undone. Take 2 wires and then wrap one around the other as such. Make a knot out of it, bring them together. Now tighten it as you go by. Take a rope and then wrap it around this U-shaped pole as such. Now wrap the screw into it so that it stays put. Bring the wire through it and then bring it to the bottom. Take a wire and then make this cross-egg shape out of it. Now bring the bottom of it and then pull it through the other side. Bring the sides together as such in the center and then insert one part into the other and then you should make the square. This is what you should be left with. Pull all 4 sides in order to make it tight. Bend one side over and then make it into a knot as such. Once you have done this, pull it through, make this U shape out of it, make it into a circular shape, pull one section through the other as such. Make a knot out of it, pull it through the other side. Once you have done this, you should be left with this shape. Next, take 2 zippers, take this and then wrap it around a wooden plank as such. Once you have done this, take a wire and then begin to wrap it around your hammer as such. Now, keep wrapping it until you reach the top. Strengthen it as you keep going by. Continue to do so on the other side as well. Now, as you go by, do this until you reach the top. Once you reach the top, take the excess amount of thread that is remaining and then pull it out through the knot that is present. Now, once you do this, pull the other side through it in order to make your knot tightened. Cut off the excess amount that is remaining. This is what you should be left with. It'll provide a handle for your hammer. Thank you for watching.